Imagine this, billions of dollars in stablecoins zipping around the world, controlled not by humans, but by super smart AI agents that never sleep, never make mistakes, and could make you richer than you have ever imagined. But here's the kicker. If these agents are locked down on a secure blockchain, it's game over for your money. Right now, in 2025, as we speak, this isn't sci-fi. It's happening. And if you're not paying attention, you're about to miss the biggest wealth transfer since Bitcoin. Stick with me, guys, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break it all down for you. Let's dive into it. Hey everyone, it's your boy Domenico, the finance firestarter who's always hunting the next big crypto wave. And if you're new here, I live and breathe this stuff, from DeFi hacks to moonshot tokens. And today we're talking about something that's got the whole industry buzzing. AI agents. They're about to supercharge stablecoin transactions, turning them into $1 trillion powerhouse. But trust me, it's not just hype. These agents need to live fully on the blockchain to handle your cash safely. And spoiler alert, there's one platform leading the charge. If you're not into crypto or tech, or just making smart money moves, hit that like button right now if you're excited, because it helps me spread the word. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe bell and you'll never miss a beat. All right, guys, let's get into the stories that got me fired up. Picture this. It's a regular Tuesday morning. You're sipping your coffee, checking your wallet app, and boom, an AI agent you set up last week just executed a trade, swapped some stable coins for yield, and even paid your bills automatically. Sounds awesome, right? But rewind a bit. Back in 2023, stablecoins like USDC and USDT were already handling over $100 billion in daily volume. That's more than PayPal. Fast forward to now, with AI exploding and only going up to the right, thanks to tools like Grok and ChatGPT and Gemini, everyone's talking about agents. These autonomous bots that think, decide, and act all on their own. I remember chatting with a buddy of mine who worked in Silicon Valley several years ago, and he was building AI that could negotiate deals in real time. But when it came to holding actual money, it was a total nightmare. Off-chain servers got hacked, keys got stolen. You can even remember cases like with the Ronan Bridge disaster. 600 million gone in a flash. It was more than like nearly half a trillion. That's a lot of money. That's a context, guys, I'm talking about. It's a lot of financial capital at risk. But AI agents, guys, are the future of finance, because without secure on-chain hosting, you're just fancy toys waiting to be robbed. And folks, this is urgent because you know why? Because VCs are pouring billions into AI crypto projects right now as we speak. And if we don't get this right, I can tell you, we're looking at massive losses across the chains, or massive gains for those who do it right. All right, guys, let's break down this stuff like we're building a Lego set. Step by step, no fluff, keeping it simple. First off, what are AI agents? We got to think of them as your personal financial superheroes. They're just software programs powered by AI that can handle tasks autonomously. Think about buying low, selling high, lending stable coins for interest, even predicting market dips using real-time data. You can also use them to obviously trade markets for you. Obviously, my background's in financial trading, and they can do that for you too. They can be beneficial in that. Stable coins also, they're crypto stable buddies also, pegged to the US dollar, so no wild volatility if you like, but they move fast and cheap across borders. So they're also obviously also very versatile for cross-border payments. Now, guys, the game changer. These agents need to run on chain. Even Dom said it. That means the entire agent, code, decisions, and especially the keys to your money lives directly on the blockchain. I'm not talking about Dom myself. I'm talking about Dominic Williams, the founder of ICP. But why do they need to run completely on chain? Because of security. Security is absolutely paramount with AI bots. Off chain, it's like leaving your safe in a public park open for hackers or just feast on it. On chain is fortified like Fort Knox with verifiable control and, most importantly, no single point of failure. This is where the $1 trillion opportunity comes in. But here's where it gets real. Most blockchain guys, as you know, let smart contracts hold funds. Sure, Ethereum's great for DeFi, Solana's speedy, But for full AI agents, you need more seamless hosting of the whole stack, advanced crypto signatures for secure actions, and even the ability to call out to the web for data. And this is where we enter the World Computer and the Internet Computer Protocol, or ICP. This bad boy, guys, is designed from the ground up for this. To do it completely, it hosts everything fully on chain, no clunky servers, with tools like Threshold, EC, DSA for key management, and HTTP outcalls to grab external info without trusting any middleman. Let me analogy this. Imagine your AI agents as a self-driving car. They're doing the driving for you. Other blockchains give you the engine and wheels, but ICP, it builds the whole friggin' highway with guardrails, GPS, and autopilot all into one secure system. Real world example. Definity is building an AI dApps on ICP that already custody assets verifiably. Compare that to a chain like Polygon, for instance. Awesome for scaling, but you still need off-chain bits for full AI hosting, risking everything because of bridges. Advanced folks, think about it. ICP counters to smart contracts, scale infinitely, as you know. No gas fee dramas. Beginners, it just means your money's safer and works harder for you. But at the end of the day, it's all about safety because remember, trillions are going to start flowing into this ecosystem, and safety is the number one paramount. So, what can you do about this today? Just don't watch. You need to act. First, educate yourself. Watch sources like myself, watch other prominent sources in the ICP community, as I've mentioned in other videos like Bobby O, and head to the ICP website for forums and dive into docs on AI integration. He's speaking a lot recently also in regards to AI and how ICP is the only solution in regards to AI. There's a lot of resources out there that are free, eye-opening to educate yourself. And if you're in crypto, experiment with stablecoins on ICP, open a compatible wallet. You can set up simple agents using dev tools. Think of it as your first robo-advisor if you like. Third, guys, we need to invest wisely. Look at ICP tokens or projects building on the IC. But hey, you need to do your own research, of course. I'm not a financial advisor for you guys. But obviously, if you do your own research, not financial advice, the upside is massive. Because the AI agent market is going to unlock trillions of dollars in liquidity, stable coins, and a lot of capital is going to run through that. And ICP is the only safe solution to do so in regards to the AI agent ecosystem. And this is why they're partnered with Fetch for this reason. There's no accidents here. Fetch and ICP are going to power the AI agent future of this globe. And guys, if you enjoy the alpha that I do offer on a daily basis, as I'll do my best to, comment below. Tell me what's your first step. Like if you're checking out ICP today, and I want you guys to subscribe for more deep dive content in regards to the ICP ecosystem. Oh man, the hype is real, I can tell you. AI agents on chain aren't just coming, they're here. We're just at the cusp of it, and they're just about to flood stablecoins with trillions in transactions. And ICP is making it possible today, while others play catch up. This is your ticket to the future of finance. Automated, secure, and unstoppable. So if this fired you up, smash that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts on AI and crypto, and subscribe now for more insider scoops. Remember, guys, share this video with your crew. Let's spread the word before the masses catch on. I'm telling you guys. In closing, remember this. It's important. The future belongs to those who act on the edge of innovations. Remember, AI agents controlling stablecoins on chain. It's not if, and it's when. And ICP is leading the pack because it's the only solution to be able to do it safely and securely. Because remember, if the AI robots get hacked and they go rogue, then everyone's data, capital is a risk. We're talking hundreds of billions and trillions of capital. That's obviously a risk to the hackers, a risk to being stolen. And that's why ICP is leading the charge because it's the only solution to be able to do the full compute stack fully on chain. And this is where it is paramount, not only for AI agents, but also AI, humanoids, robotics, which I've mentioned in other videos. And we'll continue deep diving down why this is the reason also. And that's why ICP is unlocking trillions of dollars of value in many multiple different solutions. Think about it. AI agents in itself is a multi-trillion-dollar solution. Humanoids, robotics, just decentralized AI on chain. It's unlocking trillions of dollars in value across different solutions. And that's why ICP is going to be at the forefront of compute, of decentralized compute. It's one of a kind. Remember, guys, do your own research. If you're interested as I am, keep digging into it. There's always something new to learn. And as I said, once you get peeled, you can never unsee it. So stay ahead, guys. Stay smart, do your research, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.